Oh, there he is.
Aww.
Oh.
Poopy 420.
Oh, cat, I see.
Cat.
Is it not a cat? Is it a dog?
It was a dog.
Oh, I didn't see it.
My cat's really sick.
I just saw it for a second.
My cat is sick.
Guys, pray for my cat.
I'm having a complete fucking brain fart on like where this yellow circle eats ghost.
What? Are you...
I'm having a I swear to God. What the fuck is the name of that game?
You'll get it. I want to hear your guesses before we tell
I
you.
want to see this on fucking Lenny's by the end of the night,
I
Leo.
keep thinking Pikachu for some reason. Pac-Man, that's it.
You fucking dumbass. What? There's no way that was real.
No, I'm so serious, that's real.
Fuck you.
With corn,
Yeah,
either
who
on the
is
cob
that?
or whatever you got. She's eating for two. Her and Tobo Cop.
But Mama, they do have bunion rings if you want some.
Maybe you should focus a little less on the talking and a little more on the cooking.
You got toe. You got toe.
He comes back.
What the fuck was that? Comes back.
The Banjo-Kazooie villain.
A long time no see.
You got toe.
Game had some bad calls. Now what game are we talking about? The game? What we were kids 30 years ago? That game? That last shot? Your foot was on the line.
You guys hear Pope Francis abolished hell?
Yeah.
Says sins of unrepentant sinners will simply disappear.
Cool. I'm ready to start sinning.
Yo, I'm gonna go nuts now. Simply
I'm gonna make
sinful.
a bunch of gold ass statues of God. That's a sin.
Yep. Wait, is it?
Yeah, you're not supposed to make any idols of any of God.
Oh, not even of him?
Nope.
Nope.
I guess, yeah, he didn't really say what he looked like.
It's like you guys are gonna get it wrong.
Oh, it says here, Pope Francis says that God is a big giant guy in the sky with long hair. Wow, cool.
Cool. Is
He's
he
coming out
white?
swinging.
Yeah.
Yep.
Is he white?
God.
Somebody from the New York Times asked if he was white, and he said, "The fuck you think?" So, I don't know.
Yeah. I know what that means.
Yeah.
He's white, baby.
He is white.
Alright, you win. Everybody wins.
Everybody wins. The big game.
More like the big lame.
Whoa, Samir. You can
Sorry,
turn
I'm
around
so
and head
sorry.
right back out of the voice channel if that's gonna be your attitude.
Alright, I'll figure myself out, sorry.
Alright.
More like the big Wayne. David Wayne.
He put himself in timeout.
Alright, I think I'm good.
Good.
Is the Super Bowl like a patriotism thing?
You mean
Or
the
does
big
everyone
lame?
just-
Oh shit.
Yeah, there's like an air of...
They're by me.
They were writing gay in the garage door, so I killed two of them.
No, I'm at lobby door. Fuck you. You're at Visa.
Oh, sorry.
Put a claim on. Okay, I'm hearing shots to the
last
west.
one's glass.
Op 4 eliminated. Mission
Watch this
successful.
insane shot. Watch this
What did I
nuts
say?
after I just typed that.
Price is right. The price is right.
Price is right. Price is right.
Honorable
Price will come again.
For prisoners to float to joy. We assume some escaped.
I'm glad they switched this.
Their vital
Excellent.
magic lured the Voidwoken. All who were aboard.
Backwards baseball cap under a ghillie suit. What do you guys think?
That's when you want to be tactical, but you still want to represent the hood. Say, these are my roots, but I need to do my job.
Is DK mode James Bond in the movie?
It's just like a lever action.
Is Dot No Clip in the movie?
They talk about GoldenEye. They say that the guys who made the game's favorite shooter was GoldenEye, and that his favorite character was Oddjob.
Wow. Wow.
That's a lot.
Wow. It's like they Googled the word GoldenEye. Oh my god. That's so fucking lame they did that. That they put the odd, like, the kicker Oddjob is like just everyone goes, yeah, like,
Oh yeah, I forgot. They also say slappers only. They say his favorite mode was slappers only.
Wow.
Which means no weapons. Then the girl goes, I know what slappers only means.
You know what that shit means?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
That's tight. I love when it's like not a joke, nor does it have any significance, and you just sit there and listen to it, and you're happy because you know it.
It's like they
clap. You clap.
It's
they
just
want
a sound I like. So
Yeah.
yeah, for real.
there's a really stupid line in that book that I've seen out of context. I can't imagine the context is much better about how essential jacking off is to human development, and how
He's not
like
wrong.
without jacking off, like we would have no technology because people would just be too busy trying to fuck each other.
In Ready Player One?
Yes.
Yeah, they turned that into like the whole second act of the film.
Ooh, people
So it's a-
inventing jacking off in the future.
It's a flashback to caveman times.
Everyone, then they discovered jacking off.
I just posted some happy Jack.
Then there's like a montage. It's like what I want, you got, and they're all jacking off.
Yeah, they're just like bum, 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 bum. Life is like a...
Yeah.